Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan Life. This Tiguan is powered by a 1.5 TSI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission, and it's finished in this lovely Moonstone grey paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you'll find the 18-inch Frankfurt alloy wheels, and to the front of the reliable automatic headlights that keep the roads well lit. Coming into the boot, and you find the Tiguan offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopper bag hooks. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with this lovely cloth seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you find your air conditioning panel and USB port. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as USB ports, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The multi-function steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune to FM and DAB channels for the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media, such as Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and can highlight points of interest. You can access various vehicle settings. You can customise your speaker's equaliser settings. You can also access your driver assist features. Beneath the display you'll find your car's climate control system. And this Tiguan comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the approved used Volkswagen Tiguan Life that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.